Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Characteristics of Rokitansky-Custer syndrome are all of the following except in Rokitansky-Custer syndrome, there is absent uterus. Um, in Rokitansky-Custer syndrome, which of the following are true except okay. In Rokitansky-Custer syndrome are all of the following except. So in this we have number one, the absent uterus true, absent vagina true, and ovulation will not be there 46xx. Why absent uterus and vagina? Because here there is Mullerian agenesis will be there. So next, Rokitansky-Custer syndrome is associated with vaginal atresia. In complete Mullerian duct aplasia, all of the following are likely to be absent except in complete Mullerian duct aplasia, ovaries are not absent, ovaries are present because ovaries develop from genital ridge, fallopian tube, uterus and vagina will be absent. So ovaries are present. Mayer-Rokitansky-Kuster-Hauser syndrome consists of here uterus is absent, fallopian tube and ovaries are present. Next.
thank you and thank you for watching.